If you're anything like me, you probably like listening to music. So I'm about to show you a website where you can listen to some of your favorite music from your favorite artists and even underground artists, but you can get paid to do it. And I got proof in this video. But first, watch this. So here's the website here, and they also have an app, which for the purpose of this video, I'm on the app version, but you can get paid the same way. All you're doing is reviewing music. Very easy, very simple to do. So all you'll do here to get started is click this circle with the lines in it, and the song will come up and it'll start playing automatically. Now the songs are really at random, so you really can't pick what you listen to. In the beginning, when you first sign up, you can kind of pick the genre of song that you want to review, but for me, like, I just review all songs because it's just, at the end of the day, you're making money. And so you'll see here, I'm just typing a review of my honest opinion of what I think of the song. I will tell you, you have to listen to the song for at least a minute and a half. And your review has to be, a good review. You can't just put, 1 or 2 sentences. You have to really make it a full review. So what I like to do is talk about the artist, talk about the production of the song, talk about, what I like about the song, what I don't like, things of that nature, and just submit it. That way, you're giving a real review, and they're going to continue to have you paying. They're going to continue to give you more and more songs, obviously, but the amount of money you make per song really goes up. When I first started using this site, years ago, I was making like, 7 cents a review, but now I'm making over 25 cents a review. And really, I mean, if you're just doing this site long enough, you continue to use it active, you can do the same thing. So as you'll notice, as I'm typing, that second orange bar that's right below the pause sign, it continues to get full. Once it's completely full and the song is played for a minute and a half, then this next button that is actually gray, it will light up orange. When that lights up orange, then you're able to go to the next step, which is rating the song. And so you'll give it an honest rating. So as I finish typing this review, you'll see here the next it gets orange. So I'll click on it and just give it an honest review of what I think on it. Click done. And now they're going to give me my payment. And I made 27 cents for that review. Very easy, very simple. Like I said, just giving an honest review on it. At the end, it'll tell you the song and all that kind of stuff. So you see here my balance, I have $5.62. I'm going to do another review real quick, just to show you that you continue to do this. Same thing with this one. Like I said, you just going through, giving an honest review. Try not to type the same things for every review. Like, try to make it different. Try to make your review specifically for the song you listen to, because, like I said, they're kind of looking for people that are going to give honest reviews. And the more honest you are in your review, and the more thorough you are in your responses, they're going to continue to give you higher payouts. And that's what it really comes down to, getting those higher payouts, really making, money from reviews. And this is so easy because every song that comes up, you can get an honest review. It's not like you're going to disqualify. It's not like surveys where it's like, okay, well, I can try this survey, I answer a few questions, then they kick me out. No, when you have a song here, you're giving your, response to your review of it. You just type it up, listen to it for a minute and a half, let that orange bar fill all the way up. You click next, you rate it, and you're going to get paid just like that. So, like I said, I'm just doing another one just to show you in this video. I'm just going to do 2. Then I'm going to show you the cash out features and things like that. And also at the end of the video, I'm going to show you proof that I've been paid my last payment. So that this app is legit. It's been around for years. I mean, at least a decade, probably even, earlier than that. But so right here, I'm done with my review. So I'm just basically waiting for the minute and a half to come up. So once that happens, I can click next and rate it. And it really doesn't matter what you rate it. It's honest opinion because they want to get, good feedback. So I'll give it a 9. Click next. We're done. And another 27 cents for my review. So, I mean, like I said, they'll show you the song you just reviewed at the end. I got another one I can do, but I'm going to go back and show you my account. And I got $5.89. If you want to withdraw, you need to have $10 minimum in your account. So, I mean, it's really not hard to get $10 if you're making, over 25 cents for every review. So you can really cash out on the daily. It really just depends on how active you are in using this. Like I said, they have a website you can use and an app. This is my last cash out that I received from them, $10, slice the pie. So they are legit. They do pay. I highly recommend you sign up for it. The link to it is in the description. Sign up. You'll get a bonus on your first review, and you can start making some real money just reviewing songs. I mean, just listening to music. Really cool. It kind of gives you a break from surveys. So I recommend you get signed up with this. Like I said, the link to it is in the description. It is legit. Make some good money reviewing music. And always remember, every penny counts. If you're interested in making even more money, I highly encourage you guys to visit my website, pennies2thousands.com. That way you can see all the free websites and apps that I use to make money. And if you want to make some real money, I'm talking about $150 every single day. I can teach you the very easy steps that anybody can do. All you have to do is book a session with the link below.